Looking for a powerful gaming mini PC in 2026 that saves space but still delivers serious performance? Mini PCs have become incredibly powerful, offering desktop-level speed in a compact design. Whether you're into light gaming, multitasking, or a compact workstation, there are some great options available right now. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best gaming mini PCs in 2026. We'll cover their features, performance, pros, and cons so you can find the best one for your setup. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. GMKtec M6 Ultra Gaming Mini PC. Taking the top spot on our list is the GMKtec M6 Ultra Gaming Mini PC, a powerhouse in a tiny form factor. This mini PC runs on the AMD Ryzen 5 7640HS processor, delivering excellent performance for gaming, productivity, and content creation. It features 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and 1 TB of SSD, ensuring lightning-fast performance and plenty of storage for large files and games. Connectivity is another highlight, including USB 4, dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, Wi-Fi 6, DisplayPort, and HDMI, along with triple 4K display support. Pros: powerful Ryzen 7648HS processor, large 32 GB DDR5 RAM, fast 1 TB SSD storage, excellent connectivity options. Cons: premium price. Heavy gaming may still require a dedicated GPU. Overall, the GMKtec M6 Ultra is the best gaming mini PC on this list, offering outstanding performance in a compact design. Number 2. KAMRUI E3B Mini PC. At number 2, we have the KAMRUI E3B Mini PC, offering a great balance between performance and affordability. This mini PC is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7430U processor, capable of reaching speeds up to 4.3 GHz. It comes with 16 GB DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB M.2 SSD, delivering smooth everyday performance and fast storage speeds. The system supports triple 4K displays, along with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, making it ideal for both productivity and entertainment. Pros: great price-to-performance ratio, reliable Ryzen 5 processor, triple display support, compact and energy efficient. Cons: not ideal for demanding games, limited GPU performance. Overall, the KAMRUI E3B is a great budget-friendly gaming PC for everyday users. Number 3. GMKtec K8 Plus. Taking the third spot is the GMKtec K8 Plus, a mini PC built for users who want stronger gaming and productivity performance. It features the AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, an advanced 8-core 16-thread chip with boost speeds up to 5.1 GHz. This system includes 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a massive 1 TB SSD, providing excellent speed and plenty of storage for games and applications. The USB 4, HDMI 2.1, and dual 2.5G LAN ports make this mini PC extremely versatile for gaming setups, streaming, or network-heavy workloads. Pros: very powerful Ryzen 7 8845HS CPU, 32 GB DDR5 RAM for heavy multitasking, high-speed USB 4 connectivity, dual 2.5G Ethernet ports. Cons: higher price than entry models. Integrated graphics still limit high-end gaming. Overall, the GMKtec K8 Plus is a high-performance mini PC perfect for gamers and creators who need extra power. Number 4. ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1 Mini PC. At number 4, we have the ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1 Mini PC, a powerful mini computer designed for productivity and light gaming. This mini PC is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7730U processor, an 8-core 16-thread CPU capable of boosting up to 4.5 GHz. This system includes 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB SSD, delivering smooth performance for multitasking, media editing, and gaming. The system supports triple 4K display output, making it perfect for creators or users who need multiple monitors. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth connectivity, you also get fast wireless networking and easy device pairing. Pros: efficient Ryzen 7 processor, smooth multitasking performance, triple display support, strong wireless connectivity. Cons: integrated GPU limit IAAA gaming, not designed for heavy graphics workloads. Overall, the ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1 is an excellent compact PC for work, streaming, and light gaming. Number 5. KAMRUI Hyper H2 Mini PC. The KAMRUI Hyper H2 Mini PC is a compact desktop designed for users who want reliable performance for everyday tasks and casual gaming. This mini PC is powered by the Intel Core i5-14450HX processor, featuring 10 cores and 16 threads with boost speeds up to 4.8 GHz. That means it handles multitasking, office work, streaming, and light gaming smoothly. It comes with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB NVMe SSD, providing fast boot times and plenty of storage for applications and files. Another great feature is its triple 4K display support via HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C, making it ideal for productivity setups or multi-monitor gaming environments. Pros: powerful 10-core Intel processor, triple 4K display support, fast NVMe SSD storage, compact and clean design. Cons: integrated graphics limit heavy gaming. RAM upgrade options are somewhat limited. Overall, the KAMRUI Hyper H2 is a great option for everyday productivity and light gaming in a compact form factor. Thanks for watching our video on the top 5 best gaming mini PCs in 2026. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, buying guides, and the latest gadget recommendations. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and deals for each mini PC we mentioned. If you have any questions or already use one of these mini PCs, feel free to share your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.